This apartment complex consists of one apartment building with a total of 6 units. All 6 units are 2-bedroom apartments. There are also 6 garage storage units on the property. A new roof has been added to the apartment building and the garages in 2023. 3 of the 6 HVAC units have been replaced by the seller. The current management has been making numerous upgrades to the apartment building, including vinyl plank floors, new appliances as needed, kitchen and bathroom upgrades as needed. For more information, contact listing agent Ken McGuire at 317-385-7415.